Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on a tour to see this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex. So we'll be starting from here. This is the tarred road, so I wanted to show you this tarred road so you know how far it is to the main duplex. The duplex is in a mini estate, so we'll have about 4 to 6 duplex in the mini estate, but one is already finished and it's sold. So the one we're going to see is the one at the back. So stay tuned while we drive down, okay? Yeah, we are just few seconds to the mini estate where you see this 4-bedroom fully detached duplex with cinema, 2 sitting room, BQ, and a spacious compound. Okay, so there we go. So we are right here. Let me come down so I can point it out for you. So there is the tarred road. This one has been sold. This one they're still building. You can see it's in a mini estate. This one has been sold, and this one is the one we'll be checking out. Okay, so let's go. So you can see that work is going on here. This is the gate. This is the gate. Work is going on here in the other duplex they are building. So I will take you on a tour on this one so you see everything, and you can see how work is going on as well, because they are working on the wardrobes right now. You can see this compound can take up to 4 cars. Yes, 4 cars, and you can see it have a rooftop, so you'll be having a cinema, 2 sitting room, BQ, and the rooftop. The rooftop is basically for the master's bedroom upstairs. So let me go to the edge so you can see how spacious it is. You see? So let's go inside. As you walk in, you will see the ante room. Yes, this is the ante room. Then that is your visitor's toilet. You can see this is the parlor. Yes, this is the parlor. It's not that big, but it's quite spacious. Then this is your staircase. I like the design of the staircase. You can see this is broken, but it will be fixed. Don't mind that, it will be fixed. I think this happened while they were working on the building. Then the kitchen is okay. I think the kitchen is okay with a corridor here, you see, and the backyard. You can see the overhead tank here. So let me show you the BQ. Yeah, let me show you the BQ. So it's accessible from the front. This is the door to the BQ. It's actually locked, so we cannot go inside. So let's go back to the main house so I can show you other things you need to see. But let's go to the other side so you can see the other side of the compound, how it is. Yeah, you see. So that's where I parked my car. can see the distance to the gate. So here you don't need a security house, you already have a security because it's a mini estate, like I said, so you shouldn't worry about that. Everything will be handled, so you're very secured. And you saw while I was driving in, you noticed that this area is secured. Okay, there's no people roaming around, right? So let's walk to the first floor. So this is the second sitting room I told you about. This is the second sitting room. You can still call it children's sitting room. So on this floor, you have 3 rooms, room 1 and room 2, plus this room here with this door. Call it room 3. I will call this one Madam's room. It has its own private sitout and walk-in wardrobe and the WC. So we cannot check those right now because you can see they are working on it. They are really working here. So let's go to the last floor. This is the last floor. I like this staircase, like I said. I like that it has opening. Yeah, you can actually see who's on the ground floor, while you're walking up. So this is another mini parlor. Then this is the cinema I told you about, so you can put your cinema there. Then we're going to check the master's. This is the master's bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. This can fit in your king size bed. If you like a double bed or whatever you call it, it can fit in here, right? You can see there's already 6 windows here, plus this small window for this would be like a walk-in wardrobe. Then your WC, you get it. Yeah, so you can see the wood they are using. This is one of the best plywood they are using, so the kind of quality you'll be getting when you buy from me. And when all this thing is done, I will still do a video, but that's when it's all done. Okay, so let's check out the open terrace. So here you can have your party, your get together for the family, or you like your private sit outs. Yeah, this is it. So call me now to secure this duplex. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.